Hi, Mark Leibovitz here, and today I'm thrilled to present 62 Winnett Avenue. Situated in the Humewood Community School District, this fabulous 3+1 bedroom, 2-bathroom home comes complete with a modern open-concept main floor living area, a finished basement with an extra bedroom, and a fantastic yard that wraps around the home. It's perfect for the kids and for entertaining. If you're looking for a turnkey home in a wonderful family-friendly neighborhood, then 62 Winnett Avenue is for you. Come check it out.